There were bells on the hill, but I never heard them ringing. Oh no, I never heard them at all till there was you, baby. Oh no, oh no. There were birds in the sky, but I never saw them winging. And I never saw them at all till there was you. Yes, there was music, and there were wonderful roses. Y'all know they tell me in sweet, fragrant meadows of dawn and dew, there was love. The thing was all around me. And I never heard it singing, you know. I never heard the thing at all till there was you. Didn't I say they tell me in sweet, fragrant meadows are gone and dew. Oh, there was love, and it got all around me, baby, but I never heard it singing. No, darling, I tell you, I never heard it at all till there was you. Sing your heart out, baby. Sing it.
There were bells
summer day, then you might as well take the sun away. All the birds that flew in the summer sky when our love was new and our hearts were high, when the day was young and the night was long, and the moon stood still for the night bird's song. If you go away, if you go away, if you go away, as I know you will, you must tell the world to stop turning till you return again. If you ever do, for what good is love without loving you? Can I tell you now, as you turn to go, I'm gonna be dying slowly till the next hello. Girl, if you go away, me ma kitty pa, if you go away. But if you stay, I'll make you a night like no night has been. Oh, we'll be again. I'll sail on your smile, I'll ride on your touch, I'll talk to your eyes. I love so much. But if you go, I won't cry. No, the good is gone from the word goodbye. If you go away, girl, if you go away, if you go away. If you go away, as I know you must, oh, there'll be nothing left in this world to trust. Just an empty room full of empty space, like that empty look I can see on your face. I'd have been the shadow of your dog if I thought it might have kept me here by your side. If you go away, me ma kitty pa. If you go away. It takes so little time for the wind to erase vows written in the scorching sand. our dreams blown away in empty space. Yes, it takes so little time for the day that's still asleep to hurry the coming dawn and take you away from me. Oh, baby, it takes so little time for anything to change. It takes so little time. I don't know why, but ain't it strange? It takes so little time for a smile to disappear and rain to the cheek of a child, the sadness of a tear. But oh girl, yeah, it takes so little time for anything to change. And I know it takes so little time. I don't know why, but it's so strange. But when the night is come and you will look at me, I know I'll be happy. Come live with me, and won't you be my love? Yeah. Share my bread and wine, be wife to me, be life to me, be mine. Oh, come live with me and be my love. Let our dreams combine, be mate to me, be fate to me, be mine. With these hands I'll build a roof to shield your head. Yes, and with these hands I'll carve the wood for our baby bed. Oh, come live with me and be my love, so I can love you all the time. Be part of me, girl, be the heart of me, be mine. All right, y'all, help me now. I'll try to do my best for you. I swear, I promise you. And girl, didn't I tell you I'm right with you? Don't you know I'm gonna cry with you? I say my whole life through. And won't you be my love? Hey, say my bread and wine. Be part of me. Oh, be the heart of me, baby. Please be mine. All right. Look at him.
Go ahead.
Today, I heard a man say, he told me somebody had just stole his woman away. I lost somebody. Stole his girl today.
That sure was cold.
He kept right on talking. He said,
Doing me a favor.
I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I feel like I wanna go somewhere and I lay right down and die. Somebody, yeah, stole my woman away, babe. Hey, 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 hey. They stole my girl today. Ain't it a shame? You know I can't hide. Oh no, well, this pain I feel inside. Somebody stole my girl away. Now I don't know who it was, but somebody just took my woman today. Bad news. Now fellas, y'all better listen to me. If your woman seems a little uptight, brothers, whatever y'all been doing, you sure gotta stop doing it right, or somebody, yeah, will steal your woman away. I'm trying to tell you something, fellas. Well, they'll steal your girl today. Yeah. Oh, make that horn talk. Some women do it, some women don't. So if you wanna keep your man, girls, you better give him what he wants. Yeah, steal your man away. Hey, hey. Yeah, they'll love your man today. And you know what else? You better keep that rooster close to your crib. And girls, don't get too excited about that women's lib. And let some woman steal your man away. Girls, don't let them fool you, cause they'll take your man today. Now one last thing, girls. Don't be advertising your man saying what all he can do. Next thing you know, it'll be her instead of you. No, don't let them steal him away, girls. They won't wait till tomorrow. You'll be loving your man today. Understand what I've been trying to tell you. You know, you got to protect intellectual property. You know, don't leave nothing to chance. You know, there's always somebody waiting out there to steal what you got. You can understand that. And the reason I know, because that's right, somebody stole my woman. Lord, while my back was turned. You know, I tell you, there's some dirty people in the world today. They don't care nothing about your feelings. Oh no, even your best friend sometimes will do a little thievery and rip you off. Very well. Oh, listen, I'm trying to pull your coat to something. Yes, I am. And oh, Lord have mercy. You know, I don't want the same thing to happen to you. What happened to me? Oh, Lord. I'm going home to my mama where I get a little sympathy for myself. Problems all day long. Y'all know I got them. Look at here. We're my problems. Work out right or wrong. Lord knows I don't know. Because you see, my baby, she don't like anything I do. Oh man, you kidding? Oh no. And my mother seem to feel the same way too. What they doing? Oh, they pressing on me. I tell you, worries, pile up on my head. Oh, yeah, they do. And I wanna say, woe is me. I should have stayed in bed. I don't know why I got up this morning. It didn't do me no good, 'cause I can't get the car. Y'all know my mouth ain't been so good. And you know that's bad news. Oh, and my love life just ain't swinging like it should. I declare it's got me worried. That's why I got problems, yeah. Problems. And girl, it's all on account of my loving you like I do. Yeah, you give me problems. Solve my problems with the love, that's true. Now come over here, baby. Sit down. Move it closer. Feel me. Now don't be ashamed. Touch me. What I'm trying to say is put your hands all over me. Like that. That's what I mean. Oh, I like it. Oh, thank the Lord for the sense of touch. Yeah. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, baby. I can't take it no more. You see, my blood pressure is running wild. You're driving me crazy, mama. Well, let us say, you ought to know a little more about him, girl, before you go. I only live. Well, I don't mean no harm, but you ought to know, get a little more about him before you go. Well, I only live. Listen to me, honey. Now, I'm not trying to run your life. I can't keep you from going. But because I love you, I want to be sure that you know what you're doing.
Where's he?
Where's he when you want to choose us falling off his feet? Where's he when you and your babies didn't have no food to eat? I want to know. Where's he when the doctor said he was getting on you?
Where was he?
It's even the blood I gave.
Fighting for your truth.
Oh, God.
You ought to know.
Oh, don't you hear
A little more about him.
Hey,
Before you go.
well, I'm on the limb. Hey, oh,
You ought to know.
you got me crying.
A little more about him.
Oh, yeah.
Before you go.
I'm on the limb. All right, play it, son. Glory, glory. Hallelujah. Now, I respect a woman's rights to be with the man she chooses. But honey, don't let a few sweet words cause you to pay more dues. And you know that I love you, but I don't want your sympathy. So don't stay cause you feel you belong if it ain't where you wanna be.
Where's he?
When the bill collectors use your doorstep, and I'd like to know, where's he when the welfare folks cut off your food stamps?
Where's he?
When you dated someone to love and understand, talk to me.
Where was he?
When you were washing baby diapers on your hand.
You ought to know.
You ain't nothing but a
A little more
jagger,
about him.
scheming conniver.
Before you go. I'm on the limb.
That dirty dog,
You ought to know.
he's just a faker
A little more about him.
and a happy home wrecker.
Before you go. I'm on the limb.
That's all it is, dog.
You ought to know.
You know I love your
A
children,
little more about him.
so they're mine.
Before you go.
And
I'm on the limb.
that's hard to find. Don't get mad.
You ought to know.
Yeah, go.
A little more about him. Before you go.
I'm on the limb. I got to tell you one more again.
You ought to know.
Hey, every little breeze seems to whisper Louise. Yeah, birds in the trees, they tweet a Louise. And each little rose tells me it knows I love you, baby. Love you, baby, I swear I love you. Oh, every little beat that I feel in my heart seems to repeat what I knew from the start. Oh, every side tells me that I adore you. Yeah. Oh, Louise, I'm calling you. Just to see and hear you brings joy I never knew. But to be so near you thrills me through and through. Oh, oh, oh. Anyone can see why I needed your kiss. Oh, it had to be, but the wonder is this. Oh, can it be true that there's someone like you could love me?
Louise.
All right.
Louise.
Oh, yeah.
Louise.
Well, Louise.
Louise.
Now let me say, often when I'm gloomy, baby, girl, and I'm in my lonely room, oh, thoughts of you come to me, and like that sweet perfume, oh, baby, every little beat that I feel in my heart, Lord, 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 seems to repeat what I knew from the start. Oh, every side tells me I adore.
Louise. 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 Louise.
there it is, over me. I'm traveling along, singing a sad song, till I find what's right for me. I gotta keep moving on. I know, y'all know, I'll never again live by a code in life. For you'll always find a troubled path for you in sight. Well, oh, help me see the light. Everybody saying high, saying low, throw out your hand. Everybody saying high, saying low, give all you can. I'm leaving behind wrong things I've said and done. Well, hear my plea, trust in me. Why do they say I'm free? I don't know. Somebody please lend out a helping hand to a drowning friend who's tried so hard to understand. Yes, he gives his word, but he ain't never heard. Everybody saying high, saying low, throw out your hands. Everybody saying high, saying low, love all you can. I'll keep traveling along, singing my sad song. Oh, what a song. Till I find what's right for me. I guess I'll keep moving on. Hear me? I'll never again live by that code of life. Never again. For I've always found a troubled path for me in sight. Oh, somebody help me see the light. Everybody saying high, saying low, throw out your hands. That's all you got to do every once in a while. Everybody saying